Today we are here with the most important topic of the cell, that is nucleus. Nucleus is the most prominent, largest organelle present inside the cell. It is present just in the center of the cell. This is the nucleus. Our body is made up of the cells, and every cell contains a nucleus. The cell having one nucleus are called the mononucleated cells, while the other having more than one nucleus are called multinucleated cells. It is present in every cell of the body except RBCs. RBCs do not contain any nucleus. Eukaryotes and prokaryotes. The cells having the prominent nucleus are called the eukaryotes, while we do not have any nucleus or a prominent nucleus, they are called the prokaryotes. Structure of the nucleus. Our nucleus is made up of the basic structures of the nucleus are nucleoplasm, chromatin, and the other one is nucleolus. Nuclear membrane is a double membrane which is present around the nucleus. This is double membrane. It is actually double membrane, having small pores inside it, which are called nuclear pores. These are nuclear pores. These pores are actually allowing the substances present inside the nucleus and in the cytoplasm. This is allowing the communication between them. There is a space which is present between these two layers of the nucleus. This is called perinuclear space. This is all about the nuclear membrane. Nuclear membrane is allowing the exchange of material between the nucleoplasm and the cytoplasm. The next one is the nucleoplasm. Nucleoplasm, like cytoplasm, which is present in the cell around the nucleus, this is cytoplasm. Like cytoplasm, it is also viscous fluid, thick fluid, sticky fluid, like cytoplasm. It is surrounding this chromatin. This is cytoplasm, and here this is nucleoplasm. This nucleoplasm is surrounding the dense material, that is chromatin, and the nucleolus, which are granular structures present in the nucleus. So it contains nuclear matrix, nucleotides, and some enzymes which are performing its functions in the cell differently. The next one is chromatin. Chromatin is a thread-like material. It is a thread-like structure. When it condenses, it is changed into the chromosomes. These chromosomes are rod-shaped structures. They are what are chromosomes? Chromosomes are the material made up of DNA, and it is involved in the hereditary process, that is transferring the characters from one generation to the next one. The chromosomes in our body, every cell contains 23 pairs of the chromosomes. 23 pairs. These cells are called diploid cells, while the cells, every cell in our body is made up of 23 pairs of the chromosomes. These are called diploid cells, except there is an exception, which is reproductive cells, gametes and sex cells. It contains 23 pairs, not pairs, single chromosomes. Single chromosomes. And these are called haploid cells. These are diploid cells. These are haploid and these are diploid cells. So the last one is nucleolus. Nucleolus is a granular structure. It contains RNA and proteins. The RNA in the nucleus, there are more than one. It can be one nucleolus or two. It is involved in the synthesis of the protein. How? I will explain it. The nucleolus contains the RNA and protein. These RNAs are formed by chromosomes. 5 different pairs of the chromosomes. These are different pairs of the chromosomes are making the RNA, which is stored in the nucleolus. These nucleolus later convert this RNA into the ribosomes, subunit of the ribosome. These subunits are then, this is nucleolus, these nucleolus then transfer this ribosomal subunits to the endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum is present in the cytoplasm, where they are assembled and fused, they form the ribosomes, and ribosomes are involved in further protein synthesis. What are the functions performed by the nucleus? Nucleus is involved in the cell division, it is involved in the synthesis of RNA, and the one which is it is carrying the genetic information or messages through the messenger RNA to the endoplasmic reticulum for protein synthesis. The next one is it is also the transferring the genetic material from one generation to the next one. This is all about the nucleus.